Hi guys, welcome to Ambreen's Kitchen USA. Today we are making pineapple chicken. To marinate the chicken, in 1 lb boneless chicken, add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Two tablespoons all-purpose flour. 1 tablespoon corn flour. 1 tablespoon chili sauce. And 1 egg. Then mix it all together. After 30 minutes, heat the oil and fry the chicken. Fry the chicken until it's golden brown. Now for step 2, you will need 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 4 garlic finely chopped, 1 medium-sized onion cubed, half cup red bells, half cup yellow bells, but you can also use green bells, 1 cup pineapple chunks. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil. Add the garlic. Add onions. Add red and yellow bells. Add the pineapples. Add 1 teaspoon sesame oil. 2 minutes, put it in a bowl. To make the sauce, you will need 1 cup pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon corn flour, half cup water, half teaspoon sesame seeds, half teaspoon salt, and pinch of chili flakes. And add pineapple juice. Add brown sugar, salt, and chili flakes. Add soy sauce and vinegar. Mix it well. Add the water in the corn flour. Mix it well. Then add it in the pan. Mix it together. Continuously keep mixing the sauce until the sauce starts to thicken. Then add the chicken. Mix it well. After 1 minute, add the sauteed vegetables. Mix it well. Add the sesame seeds. Yummy pineapple chicken is ready. Serve it with white rice and enjoy.